The trouble code P0016 in a Porsche vehicle is pretty scary for owners because one of the first explanations you can find online is the strange timing chain. The code says that the camshaft and crankshaft positions are not aligned properly in bank 1. Well, it's not impossible that the timing chain in the Porsche engine is elongated, especially in bigger V8 machines that are not usually driven calmly, to say the least, but it's not the most common reason for this code. First of all, there is a pretty common problem with loose phaser bolts, and secondly, the camshaft position sensors are very often faulty, especially if they are not OEM. In my country, an OEM camshaft sensor costs a fortune, so owners tend to buy aftermarket Porsche sensors, and they are okay. Anything else will throw the P0016 code pretty soon after you install them. At least this is what I see happen in most cases. So even though I hate the idea of throwing parts at the car in the hope of fixing the issue, when the P0016 code is registered in a Porsche car, it actually makes sense to change two sensors that cost about £80 or dollars each and see if this helps. The sensors in V8 engines are located at the back part of the head that faces the firewall, but still it's not impossible to replace them on your own. If this eliminates the code, the price of repair is going to be cheaper than a proper diagnostic in the dealership or a good repair shop. But if this doesn't help, you will need to check the phaser bolts, the condition of the camshafts, and also the chain condition in bank 1. For this, it's always better to find a good mechanic since Porsche engines are not really DIY friendly when it comes to serious repairs. So also keep in mind that unless the engine is extremely abused, the chains should last at least 100-150,000 miles. I've seen calm Porsche owners with over 200,000 miles on their cars and with original chains in their engines. So if this code pops up at 50,000 miles and you are a relatively calm driver, it's almost certainly not a chain and you won't need to invest thousands in engine repairs.